It takes a lot of courage to, get into another situation na hindi mo alam kung masasaktan ka ulit. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Junae.
And Nali!
Ayan, so for today's video, ipapanoorin natin ang advocacy video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2024, and it's going to be none other than Hiyas ng Davao del Sur. Yes, think ka sana.
Pakikisabay sana ako sa ano eh. Kasi iba yung format mo. Sige na, go.
That's Carly Jane Chua. Without any further ado,
Without any further kuda.
let's watch this.
I'm Carly Jane L. Chua, 29.
Very
Your
Davao
Hiyas
del
ng
Sur.
Pilipinas, Davao del Sur. Sharing a story that has touched my heart deeply. I want to shed light on a cause that has been close to me ever since I welcomed a furry member to the family and took the responsibility of becoming a fur parent. Many of you may not be aware that I had a beloved pet during my grade school years, named her Alexandra, an aspen who was playful, loving, and brought calmness into my life. Despite not having a photo of her, I can still vividly recall the joy she brought me. Tragically, on a Christmas Eve in either 2010 or 2012, we lost her in a devastating accident involving a motorcycle after returning home from Mass. The pain of that loss lingered, making it challenging for me to consider welcoming another furry family member. Years passed, and in 2019, I decided to embrace the responsibilities of fur parenthood once again. Gabby, as I named her, brought light and joy into our home like a cherished family member. Her playful nature, love for treats, and endless energy filled our days with happiness. Reflecting on the tragic loss of Alexandra and having a new fur baby to date spurred me to seek ways to support voiceless living things in need. Realizing that not everyone knows how to care for or love animals, I started by setting out food and water for stray dogs passing by our home, offering what I could in my own simple way. In addition to this, I allocate a portion of my earnings from my main job to support a non-profit organization. To name one is the Happy Animals Club. Knowing that even a small contribution can make a difference in the lives of these animals. Inspired by the club's founder and fueled by my love for my fur babies, I am committed to doing what I can to help. I believe that all fur parents share a common bond in their love and compassion for animals. With this shared sentiment, I encourage us all to make even the smallest efforts to support those who rely on us. Equal love to all living creatures. By looking into their eyes, we can understand their needs. By giving what we can truly make a positive impact. Let us unite in our hearts and actions to advocate for animal welfare and create a brighter future for all creatures in need.
Another advocacy na close sa heart natin is is about the animal welfare and equal rights. Grabe naman yung equal rights. Animal welfare and animal rights, parang ganon. Kasi we're also a fur parents and talagang iba talaga yung joy na nabibigay niya, and ngayon na wala na sila sa bahay natin. Like, yun nga yung sabi ko na every time na magwawalis ako, nakikita ko yung balahibo. Parang nangingilid pa rin yung luha ko kasi parang namimiss ko sila, yung ganon. And hindi madali na mahiwalay yung fur babies, but then there are certain situations in our life na parang we really need to, choose what's best for the both of us. And ayun, ito yung kanyang video naman. Let's talk about the advocacy niya. Siguro medyo nakukulangan lang ako sa flow ng story, like voice over lang, ganyan. Pero na-appreciate din natin na kumbaga shinare na yung part ng life niya that revolves around, kung paano siya or paano niya in-embrace yung ganitong advocacy, yung ganitong cause. Kasi nga dahil dun sa kanyang naging pet before or yung kanilang naging dog before na Aspen. So eventually, mahirap yun kapag ka nawala yung pet mo, tas yung magde-decide ka na mag-aalaga ulit. Hindi ganun kadali. So we appreciate that and we admire that courage. It takes a lot of courage to, get into another situation na hindi mo alam kung masasaktan ka ulit. Yun.
Wow, parang heartbroken lang sa relationship. Well, ako naman, tawag dito, in all fairness, at maganda yung shots, quality, ganyan. And it's very personal. And one thing na masasabi ko is, I'm quite interested makita pa kung ano yung story ni Carly. Kasi nga, very visible si Carly sa, kunwari, may mga events sa Davao, ganyan, palagi siyang nag-host. Yung bubbly personality
Parati natin siya nakikita as host dito sa Davao.
Oo. Na sobrang galing niya mag-host actually. Kita naman sa video na ang galing niya.
Tsaka sobrang pag siya yung nag-host, parang hindi siya boring, panoorin, diba? So, ayun lang. Kudos sa kanyang advocacy. And we can't wait to see more kung ano pa yung i-offer niya sa Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2024. So let's continue supporting Carly Jane Chua. And thank you so much guys at sinamahan niyo na kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!